You're watching WBRZ News 2 at 4.
Welcome back. With me today in studio are two special guests. We have our regular guest, Dr. Z.
Thank you, Sarah.
Hello, Dr. Z. I didn't know what to say, your full last name or just Dr. Z?
Dr. Z.
All right. And we have another guest, Michelle Hicks. Welcome.
Hello, how are you?
I'm very well. Thanks for joining us. Well, you may remember us talking about IPL procedures.
Yes.
That's intense pulse light procedure. And Michelle is one of our viewers, and she actually, you got a Vizia.
Yes.
And then we got the procedure. Dr. Z, tell us a little bit more about it.
Yes, so as you remember a few weeks ago I talked about the IPL. And IPL stands for Intense Pulse Light. And it is a type of laser that we deliver energy to the skin that targets pigment. It targets, and here Michelle is when she got her treatment, it targets browns and reds from blood vessels. So this is her actually the day of the procedure that she got it. She sent her picture in, we chose her, we did a Vizia, that picture, the computerized analysis of her skin. And you can see here, it doesn't appear to be too uncomfortable. Michelle, was it uncomfortable?
It was painless. I didn't feel anything. They numb you basically with the cream prior to the procedure, and I felt nothing.
Oh, good.
Well, tiny little mosquito bite sensations, very brief.
So every time the light went off, that's what you would feel?
Yes.
Great.
And so what's going on here?
There they're rolling a frozen metal bar over my face to cool down after the procedure, which felt wonderful.
Yes.
It removes the heat.
Yes. Oh, there you are today. And so we have some before and afters, but this is an excellent tool that we have in our tool chest to help the patient's skin, to help the years go back a few, take some of the pigment off. Yes, this was the Vizia the day of the procedure. And we're going to show some other pictures as the days go by, what she looked like. And then, and you can see the brown spots are more apparent. That's a good sign. That means those are going to fall off. And as you wash your face every day, you'll see some more of them fall off.
That's the third day after the procedure right there.
Correct.
So look at that. You can see that's the final.
Yes.
Tell us about that.
That's with one treatment. That's amazing. So Michelle, she's kind of like me, red hair and freckles. And it really does help that sun damage, because that's sun damage that we see there. And so we're going to get her face and her complexion the way she wants it. Clear skin, and then we're going to show her how to keep that complexion. And sunscreen is the best thing, as we all know.
Yeah, so how do you feel afterwards now?
I'm just so elated because I cannot believe the difference. I've never seen myself without freckles. And so when I look in the mirror, sometimes I take a double take because I'm freckleless for the most part, and rosacea has also decreased, and it seems to heal every day. My skin, it gets a little brighter, a little softer. I had an exfoliation done, I guess, a week after the procedure, and it's remarkable. My skin it's really new skin. It's fabulous.
So this is great, and this is the IPL system. Normally it takes more than one treatment, about 3 treatments I would say for Michelle's skin to get the ideal clearness that I want, but everybody's different. Whatever you want, that's what I want to give you. And then how do we keep it that way? And so the IPL for Michelle was an excellent choice. We have other choices, but this again is one of the tools that we have in our armamentarium that we use. We go to it every day. I love this one.
So what's next for her?
So my suggestion would be, and of course it's what her goals are, but I would do another IPL in a few weeks, and then in another month do another IPL for a total of 3. And as she said, rosacea, she had a little bit of rosacea, and it helps with those superficial blood vessels. I have to get this procedure done every year for the blood vessels I get around my nose every year.
So would someone like me have to get it done?
Have to? It's never a have to, it's a want, and it's what you want, and we'll help you get what you want in your skin.
Well, thanks so much, Dr. Z, and thank you, Michelle. You look absolutely great. I'm so glad you
so
are.
happy.
I feel great. I highly recommend it.
Thank you for coming.
Yes, thank you both.